Hi, this is Shomudip. Welcome to another exciting journey with Love to Tour. Imagine a place where nights are silent, no horns, no city noise, where a wooden house on a hill shows you Kanchenjunga on one side and Darjeeling glittering with lights on the other. This isn't a dream. This is Rangaroon, an offbeat village near Darjeeling. We drove through dense forest roads, like entering a hidden world. And at the end, we found a traditional wooden homestay. Here you will experience a traditional homestay. No staff, no waiters, just warm hosts who cook, serve, and guide you to explore the village, and also they will take you to the viewpoint. From the homestay, you can enjoy breathtaking views of Kanchenjunga, tea gardens, and also at night the sparkling lights of Darjeeling. Want to make it more special? Enjoy a bonfire and barbecue under the stars. And the best part, the stay is budget friendly. Room tariff starts at just rupees 1400 to 1600 per person with all meals included. Breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. ঠিক এই জায়গাটাতে হচ্ছে কাঞ্চনজঙ্ঘা ভিউ, এই দিকটা হচ্ছে হিল ভিউ, এই দিকটা হচ্ছে দার্জিলিং। পাশে আরেকটা রুম রয়েছে, সেই রুমটা দেখাচ্ছি। Also, pick up and drop facilities available from NGP, Siliguri Junction, and Bagdogra Airport. And if you wish to explore more, you can enjoy Darjeeling local sightseeing from here, or even take an excursion to Lamahata, Tinchule, and Tagda. So, if you are looking for peace, nature, and authentic mountain hospitality, Rangaroon is waiting for you. পরিবেশ খুব সুন্দর, এরকম একটা হাটের মতো আছে, বসার জায়গাটা জাস্ট দেখুন, গাছের গুঁড়ি দিয়ে বসার জায়গা। To book your stay, call the number on screen, or you can comment us your WhatsApp number to get more details.